Hey everybody, we're just showing you this final video right now. We've installed the new bearings in the motor, as you can probably hear. Nice and quiet. We actually replaced the fan at the bottom, so we've got a nice good airflow over the top. Cleaned up the seal and everything. So there's all new packing in there, new lantern ring. You can change it as you see fit. The original feed for the air purge seal, which is here, was right up here in this little tube. They use copper. Most people use flexible now. There's one on both sides, but you may not need to use that. We should be able to see how fast that's traveling. Straight, very true, no vibration, just how we like to see it. That's your tulip type cutting blade, which is standard on the Littleford mixer. And we talked about this briefly. You see there's a small fitting under there that comes through right there, and that's the ideal spot or the intended spot if you want to add a little spray nozzle. And of course, as you can see, it's out of the pathway of the plows. I hope you guys get a good idea what how everything's working. Sounds great. We're pretty pleased with it. And then again, this is only about the 10th one we've done, so we do see a lot of these. Well, thanks for your time today, and hope the mixer serves you well.